Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. So once again, I'm present with another beautiful update of Cardano, my friends. So keep watching this video till the end because this video gonna good news for all Cardano Ada holders, my friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, please, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. At this time, the Cardano going to the moon. Absolutely, there's no doubt that Cardano going to the moon, my friends. Now, if you look the latest price of the Cardano this time in the market, 1.71 USD dollar is the current price of the Cardano in the market. At this time, the price is moving upward. So that's clear that when the price is going upward, so it's time to hold, my friends. And a lot of people also hold Cardano, but some of these people, they decide to sell and they understand that this jump is a temporary first, is a jump. As I told you, my friends, in my previous video, that June is the pumping month of Cardano and another some cryptocurrencies, my friends. They take a pump in June. So same like that now this time, if you took the latest update, so Cardano are in the jumping mood, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Cardano. So as you can see now this time, the price change occur in the Cardano. Last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, and last 1 week pricing is positive. The both changes as this time is positive, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Cardano, my friends. Now let's see the price chart, and we are going to the moon. Remember that, my friends, we are going to the moon. Now this time you can see here again start jump. I know Cardano fast down for a little time, and this time they decide to sell. A lot of holders when see the Cardano falls down for some time, for a little time, so they decide to sell. No, that's not a way to make money with the cryptocurrencies market. If you want profit, you have to hold, you have to patience, you have to wait for a pump, my friends. There's no cryptocurrencies which only take a jump in a cryptocurrencies market. Absolutely, they fast down for a little time, they fast down for 1 day, for 1 week, for 1 month maybe. But that's not mean that you decide to sell. No, you have to hold. If you have a patience, so you can easily make a profit. And if you have no patience, so I'm sorry, my friends, you can't make any type of profit with the cryptocurrencies market. So in this video is a congratulation video for our Cardano holders because we are going to the moon, my friends. So very congrats. Now this time the last 1 hour pricing is positive 4.34% and 1.88 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Cardano in the market, my friends. So how do you feel today about Cardano? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.